The joy of every farmer is to harvest. See our lettuce, see our turnip. Ah, God, see our cucumber, see our ugu, our okra, foreign okra, our lettuce, another variety, and our.
This is part of what we do for a living. We do this every day, trying to secure food in Africa. We've got local farmers putting in their best in order to make sure that food security is at the top. So join us. Whenever you see me, just know that all I'm doing is trying to secure food in Africa. Stay with me and you will enjoy so many benefits. You will learn so many things. You will learn that your health is wealth, and you will learn lots of ways to manage your health, lots of ways to make your health your wealth. Thank you.